Hello everyone. So today we are going to play a game which is prediction of winners using periodic table card games. It's going to be like cricket where we do penalty shootout format. We will have two teams, Bharat and New Zealand, and as this is a game related to periodic table, we are going to use those uh, elements which are like symbol, atomic number, mass, radius, valencies, and electronegativity. uh, Before we used to like have 10 different games from which we are going to take two games in this prediction game, which is less the more and more the merrier. This is a format how we are going to play. I have already played once, so we will take 10 cards for Bharat, 10 card for New Zealand, and then keep on like going on the games till we complete 10 rounds, and then we will get to know who is the winner, who is the loser, like not the final decision but a prediction of us. So the first two round will be for atomic number, second two round, like third and fourth round will be for mass, uh, fifth and sixth round will be for radius, seventh and eighth for valency, ninth and tenth for electronegativity. So two round for each things. So let's start playing now. Yeah, here's the format which we are going to use. We'll start with Bharat. I have already like shuffled this card. Now I will distribute in two different countries. Yeah. So 10-10 for both New Zealand and India. Let's start. First, iron 26. If you can see, I guess. Iron 26. Now we will have a 26. Now for New Zealand, lithium 3. Lithium 3. Li 3. Now second round will start from New Zealand itself. Hydrogen 1H H1. Now we'll go to Bharat. That is argon 18 AR. Argon 18. Yeah. So we have completed first two round of atomic numbers. Now let's compare by the game less is more. We have mentioned here. So whoever's atomic number is less will be the winner. Yeah. So India is the winner. Sorry, New Zealand is the winner. India gets 0. Again, New Zealand is winner. Yeah. Now second two round will be for mass. Let's start for India. Phosphorus 15, atomic mass is 30.97. Phosphorus 15 and mass is 30.97. 30.97. Now let's go to New Zealand. Chlorine 17, atomic mass is 35.47. Chlorine 17, mass is 35.45. 35.45. Again, New Zealand gets a chance. Nitrogen 7, 14.01. Nitrogen 7, 14.01. Now it's India's chance. Titanium 21, 47.87. Titanium 21, 22, sorry. 22, 47.87. Yeah. Let's see who is the winner. For the mass, radius, valency, and electronegativity, we are going to take like consider the game which is more the merrier. So whoever's element like whoever's numbers are bigger number, they will be the winner. So for New Zealand is the winner, and for this one, India is the winner. Now let's start with the radius. Beryllium 4 and radius is 112. Beryllium 4 and radius is 112 for New Zealand. Vanadium 23 171. Vanadium 23 171. Next, New Zealand again. Germanium 32 125. Germanium 32 32 125 125. Now India. Krypton 36 88. Krypton 36 88. 88. So again, when we compare, again we have to take care of more the merrier. So for more the merrier, New Zealand is winner. So they get 0, New Zealand gets 1. For this one, again New Zealand gets 1. Now the ninth round. Let's start with India. Helium 2 sorry, radius is 31. Helium 2 radius is 31. Sorry. No, now we have to consider the balances of the uh, elements. So balance is 0. Now for for New Zealand, sulfur 16 and the valence is 2 minus. Sulfur 16 valence is 2 minus. 2 minus. Now again New Zealand gets chance. Copper Cu 29 valence is 2 plus. Copper 29 valence is 2 plus. Now India gets the chance. Boron 5 3 plus. Boron, it's boron now. Beryllium boron 5 3 plus. Zero. Yeah. So again when we compare, if we compare 0 and 2 minus, so 0 is the winner I guess because it's in negative. So 1 0, and for boron, sorry, for the last round, not the last but for the balancing one, 3 is the winner, 2 is loser. Now we will go to the electronegativity. Let's start with India. Sodium 11 Na and electronegativity is 0.93. Sodium 11 and electronegativity is 0.93. Let's go to New Zealand. Oxygen 8, 3.44. Oxygen 8, 3.44. 3.44. Now next round goes to again New Zealand. Manganese 25, 1.55. Manganese 25, 1.55. 1.55. And for Bharat, it's scalium, sorry, selenium 34, 2.55. Selenium 34, 2.55. Now let's compare who wins this. Mhm. Bharat gets 0. So New Zealand is the winner. For the last round, yeah. So for the last round, India is winner. Now let's calculate the total of all the 10 rounds. Total. Let's do some tab 4 equals to some tab 6. Yeah, so our prediction is that New Zealand is going to win today's match, but let's see by the end of the day we will get to know as there is match going on with India and New Zealand. So this is our prediction, and this is the fun game which we can implement while playing card game periodic tables. Thank you so much.